Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter of Moral Science, that is chapter 7. Is God really there? So, students, can you tell me that is God really there? Yes, God is present everywhere. Now, let us start this story. Mona was always asking question. Who made the earth? Who made the sea? Who made the stars and the sky? Who made the flowers and the green grass? Who made the birds, bees and animals? Who made the mountains? Who made us? So now, can you tell me what is the answer of all these questions? There is only one answer of all these questions. So, that is God. God made the earth. God made the sea. God made the stars and the sky. God made the flowers and the green grass. God made the birds, bees and animals. God made the mountains. God made us. So, God is our creator. Means He made us and He is our Father. So, one day Mona and her father went to a ground to fly a kite, and his old friend and many other children also came here to fly the kite. So every children came, but in that Mona was very different from other children. She wanted to fly a kite and ask question like she always do. So she asked that if God is my father, how can I talk to him? She asked. And her father replied that just you like talk to me, you can talk to him. Prayer is all about talking to God. So his father told very good idea to her that as you talk to me, you just talk to God. And the way of talking to God is prayer. And then Mona asked that, Daddy, I can see you, but why I can't see God? Is God really there? As she said that, the bright red kite flew high. She can see it there for a long time, and then after it was gone, and she felt that it has not fallen as its string is in her hand. एक दिन मोना पतंग उड़ाने के लिए ग्राउंड में गई और उस दिन बहुत तेज धूप थी। बहुत सारे बच्चे पतंग उड़ाने आए थे और उन सब में मोना सबसे अलग थी। वो चाहती थी कि पतंग उड़ाते उड़ाते कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे, जैसे वो हर समय करती है। फिर वह बोली कि अगर गॉड मेरे फादर हैं तो मैं उनसे कैसे बातें करूं? तब मोना के पापा ने बोला, तुम जैसे मुझसे बातें करती हो उसी तरह गॉड से भी बातें करो। फिर मोना बोली, डैडी, मैं आपको देख सकती हूँ पर गॉड को क्यों नहीं? क्या गॉड सच में होते हैं? जब वह बोली तो उसका रेड काइट और ऊपर उड़ने लगा। बहुत देर तक मोना उसको देख पा रही थी। Then Mona told to Daddy that, Daddy, I cannot see my kite, but I know it is there because the string is in my hand. And then Daddy replied that, yes, exactly same happened with us. We know that God is with us, but we cannot see Him. He is all around us. फिर मोना बोली, डैडी मैं अपनी काइट को नहीं देख पा रही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि वह उड़ रही है क्योंकि उसकी डोर मेरे हाथ में है। तब उसके डैडी बोले, ठीक इसी तरह गॉड हमें दिखते नहीं हैं, लेकिन वह हमारे चारों तरफ होते हैं। हम उन्हें देख नहीं सकते, लेकिन महसूस कर सकते हैं। Okay, students? So now I think you all understood this chapter. This chapter is all about God, and the lesson will learn that God is everywhere, but we cannot see Him. We can feel His presence. So students, now come to exercise work. Question answers I will give you in WhatsApp group. Now come to exercise. Underline the correct word. Here given two options and you have to choose the one and underline it. Number A. The sun sets every evening or sometimes. You underline it evening. Number 2. The air we breathe is all around us, always or sometimes. Correct answer, always. Number C. We need water daily or sometimes. Your answer is daily. Number D. The sky is dark every night or sometimes. Your answer is night. Now come to next question. Number 2. Take the picture showing prayer. So now tell me, which picture is showing prayer? Yes, this one. Because here this girl is doing prayer and here the boy is sleeping. So take here. She is doing prayer. Okay? Come to next and last question. Write down the lesson you learnt in a line. इस स्टोरी से आप लोग क्या सीखे? Your answer is, we cannot see God, but we can feel Him all around us. Okay, now this chapter is completed and exercise work is also completed. This is your class work and complete in your book. Thank you.